Welcome. This video provides instructions on setting up alert notifications on the Bolt monitoring system for managing on-site standby generators. Begin by pointing your browser to the login page at www.bcewboltmonitoring.com. Submit your email address, then submit your password, and then click on the Sign In button. The website will display the home page. Now, to work with the alert notification system, move your cursor to the top of the page to the button marked Manage and select the option titled Alert Notifications. Now, the alert notification system is a two-step process. Step number 1 is to create the list of recipients. The list of recipients is called a template. You can create multiple templates, and any template can be assigned to any generator or any group of generators. However, each generator can only support a single template at any one time. Step number 2, after the templates have been created, is to assign which template is associated with which generator. So let's begin again at the beginning. From the home page, move your cursor to the top of the page to the button marked Manage. Select the drop-down option titled Alert Notifications, and then select the drop-down option titled Notification Templates. The website will then display a blank worksheet. You can use the worksheet to specify up to 4 different recipients by email and/or 4 different recipients by text message for a wide variety of different types of events. Let's review the different events that can trigger an alert notification message. The website can send an alert notification message for low battery, for maintenance due, and for geofence violation. Geofence violation basically means that the machine has been moved from its proper location. The website can also send an alert notification for battery tamper, which means that the monitoring unit has been disconnected from the generator battery, or perhaps the generator battery has been completely removed from the machine. The website can also send an alert notification for curfew violation, which means that the generator has been turned on at an improper time of day or night. The website can also send an alert notification anytime a fault is detected on any one of the input wires on the monitoring unit, and it can also report when the fault has cleared on any one of those input wires on the monitoring unit. The website can also report a loss of facility power within the building and also restoral of facility power within the building. It can also report a loss of utility power coming from the public utility as well as restoral of utility power from the public utility. The website can also send an alert notification every time the engine is turned on and every time the engine is turned off. It can send an alert notification for failure to exercise if the machine has not exercised or run for at least 5 minutes within the specified exercise interval. The website can send an alert notification for possible weak alternator or battery. If the monitoring system is equipped with the optional fuel level sensor, the website can also send an alert notification for low fuel level, and it can report if there is a fuel level sensor fault. Last but not least, the website can also send an alert notification if the machine's year-to-date engine hours are approaching its annual engine run hour allotment. This is an important feature in certain areas where emissions control regulations are in place. Now, the way to use the alert notification system is to submit the email address in the field provided, and if appropriate, to submit the cell phone number in the space provided. To send an alert notification by cell phone, you must provide the cell phone number and also the name of the service provider for that cell phone. The reason this is required is because the website is basically sending an email message to the cellular service company with instructions to convert the email message into a text message to the specified cell phone. So it's important to specify the cell phone and also the name of the cellular service provider. There is also an option to customize the message by adding some comments in the message field here. The comments are not necessary because the type of fault will be included within each alert notification message. Now, after submitting the requested information in the fields available, you can scroll to the bottom of the page and save the template with a unique name. Each template should have a unique name so that the templates can be differentiated from one another. After creating one or more templates, the next step is to specify which template is assigned to which assets. To do that, move the cursor to the top of the page to the button marked Manage, select the drop-down option for Alert Notifications, and then select the drop-down option for Assign Templates to Assets. The website will display a list of all of the generators in the fleet. You can use the column headers to reorganize the display to easily find the generators that you want to work with. At this point, you can select one or more generators by putting a check mark in the box at the far right-hand column, and then moving the cursor to the bottom of the page. Look for the area where it says Assign Selected Assets to Template. Select the template that you want to assign. Click the Assign button, and that's it. The appropriate template has been assigned to the generators that were specified. You can return to the list and specify a template, a different template, to go to another batch of generators simply by marking them, specifying the template, and then clicking the Assign button. That's it. That's how to create templates and assign them to each of the generators in the fleet. Tune into this channel for more instructions on other capabilities of the Bolt monitoring system for managing on-site standby generators. Thank you.